Hi guys, it's Miss Angie. I'm back again this week with another math activity for you, okay? Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a game that you can use at home, and you're going to be able to use it two ways. We're going to make it a matching game, and then once you're good at that, then you can use it as a memory game. So all you need for this game is paper, some scissors, and a marker, okay? So I kind of made part of it already to make this a little bit easier. So on one paper, I folded this up to make it easier to make the lines. You're gonna write some numbers. I did 1 through 12. You can do 1 through 10 if you want, or just 1 through 5. That's fine, whatever you're comfortable with. We're focusing in on 1 through 10, but if you wanna start with 1 through 5, that's fine too. And then on the other paper, I made the same number of dots in each square. So this one has 1, this one has 2. How many does this one have? Should we count them? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so you're going to make one square for each one of these numbers. Now once you're done with that, you're going to cut them apart. And you guys could help Mom and Dad cut these apart on the line, because you guys are pretty good at using scissors. So you could help Mom and Dad, and you're going to cut them apart. Okay, so we'll do that. Just be careful with the scissors. Okay, so we're going to cut them all up. And maybe you might want also a Ziploc bag to keep this game in when you're done making it, so you can use it later, okay? Because you could use it more than once. So there's all the numbers. I cut all those up, so we're going to put them over here to one side, okay? And then I'm going to cut up the ones with the dots on them. And we played a game with this before with an actual dice, remember? And the dice had numbers 1 through 6. So for this game, I went up to number 12, but you guys can just do up to number 10. Or if you think you can do higher number, then you can do that. Okay? So let's finish cutting these, and then I'll show you what we're going to do with the game, okay? Almost done. One more. Okay. So now for this game, for the first game, all I want you guys to do is lay out the ones with the dots. Okay, you're going to lay them out on the floor. We're going to put them out. Okay. You don't have to put them in order. You can put them anywhere you want on the floor. Okay. And then you're going to pick one number, okay? So we'll start with a small number. We'll do number, what number is this? It's number 3, okay? So then you guys are going to look for the square that has 3 dots, okay? And then you are going to match it, okay? So I'm going to show you. So this one has 1, 2, 3 dots. And we have the number 3, so we're going to put those together, okay? And we'll pick another one, and then I'll show you guys what else we're going to do with these. I'll pick a bigger number. Let me see. Okay. What number is that? Who knows? Yep, it's number 8. So now we're going to look for the square that has 8 dots, and then we are going to count them. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That one has 8, so we're going to match it. Okay, so once you guys are really good at that, and you match all your numbers, and you know you can do it, okay? Remember, we're practicing counting, so you're going to use your finger to count the dots, okay? Mom and Dad can help you. Then, when you're really good at that, and you practice it a few times, we can make this into a memory game, okay? So for the memory game, you have to put out all of the cards, okay? You guys would probably have a memory game at home. Maybe you have a Paw Patrol memory game or a Princess memory game, and it's like a matching game. And you have to try to remember where the match is. So we're going to put them all out, and then I'll show you how we're going to play this game. Okay, this is a little bit tricky, but I think you guys can do it. Okay, so you're going to have to take turns with Mom and Dad, or maybe your brother or sister wants to play, okay? So what you're going to do is they're all face down, so you can't see what's on the other side, okay? You're going to pick up 2 cards, okay? So I'm going to pick up 2 cards. Okay, I picked up the number. What number? 7. Does this card have 7 dots on it? What do you guys think? Should we count them? 1, 2. Is that 7? Nope. So we're going to put it back. And then you're going to let Mom or Dad have a turn. So then Mom or Dad is going to take a turn. And they're going to pick up 2 cards. And let's see what happens. They picked up the number 3. And how many dots does this card have? 1, 2, 3. Is that the same? Does it match? It's 3 and 3. Yep. So if you get a match, you are going to keep it, okay? And now it will be your turn again, and you're going to pick 2 cards. So you're going to take turns with Mom and Dad until you find all of the matches, okay? Now, Mom and Dad, if you just want to start with maybe 5 numbers, so it's not so many cards at a time, that might be better until they get really good at it. You don't want them to get frustrated. So if you just put numbers 1 through 5 out first, play the memory game a few times, maybe then do 6 through 10, play it a few times, and then maybe put all of them together. Might be a little bit easier to start. So this is 2 games that you guys can do with your number cards, okay? And you can play this over and over and over again. Now, guys, you can do this all by yourself, too. You can do the matching by yourself if Mom or Dad is working or they're busy with your brother or sister. This is something that you can do all by yourself once you have it done, okay? So once you cut them up and you play it, keep them in a Ziploc bag so you don't lose them, okay? And you can play all kinds of different things with these, okay? So remember, take some pictures or send me a short video and I will send you something again in the mail. For the kids that did it last week, your stuff is already on its way to your house. So be looking for an envelope in the mail with your name on it, okay? So remember, send me videos, send me pictures. That way I know that you did it, okay, guys? I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.